What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mode. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on a Buick Cascada. This is a 2017 model here, but it'll be the same on a few different years. So you'll need your car on or running, and then using the button on the blinker switch, we're going to press this menu button until we have the vehicle information menu up. Now we're going to use this button here and it just twists. We're going to twist it like that until we get to this screen. Oil life remaining 55% or whatever your percentage is. So once we have the remaining oil life screen up, we're going to press and hold the end button. It's in the end of the blinker switch. And then it's going to say, are you sure you want to reset? Use this twist one, go up to yes, and then press the button in the end again to click yes. And as you can see, it resets to 100%. Pretty easy. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.